Hey, hello, and good afternoon, everybody. Has there ever been a time you wanted to put a flattened bill of material from OpenBOM on a drawing in Fusion? Of course there has. Stay tuned for a second. I'll show you exactly how we do that now. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and let me take you on a release, the May 2025 release, where we've added support for flattened views on Fusion drawings. So if you're not familiar with the various ways to view bills of material in OpenBOM, there's single level, which I think we're all familiar with that, just kind of a top level view. There's multi-level, where we have all the sub-levels shown here in their indented form, and you can drill down. And then finally, there's the flattened view, which is where we combine all the part numbers together and sum up the quantities. And it's a very important view. It's often used in manufacturing as sort of the purchasing list. What do I need to buy to build this product? So flattened view is now supported as an insertable BOM type in Autodesk Fusion drawings. So you may remember I've done a few videos using the jack handle. Here's a drawing with a single level BOM inserted on a jack handle drawing. So over here, I'm going to insert a flattened BOM for the same jack design. So here we go. I've signed into OpenBOM. I've installed the add-in in Autodesk Fusion. And of course, you saw we already had a bill of material created. I click this button up here. OpenBOM goes and fetches all the CAD data. I indicate that I want to insert BOM as flattened. Click continue, and it's just as easy as choosing the location, and there it is. So that is flattened bill of material in Autodesk Fusion drawing, and that is now released in the May 2025 update of OpenBOM. So enjoy, and we always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.